to share that I have gotten 4 orders, which is crazy to think that, like, wow, Shelly, 4 orders, that's not a big deal. I will tell you, hold on, it is a big deal. Okay, so why is it a big deal? Well, the reason why it's a big deal is because orders have been slow, markets have been slow. It's been great. I mean, I'm so thankful for the orders that I have gotten. And to be honest, I'm pleasantly surprised. The reason why is because I have been really tackling my marketing and it's working, which is so great because it just shows that I've been just working so hard to achieve these things, and it's not easy. It is just really, really hard, really, really hard. So now, once again, it's early in the morning, and that's why I'm able to vlog. Everybody's sleeping right now. My printer right now is going through cleaning, and I'm about ready to start printing off more notepad sheets because I have sold out of my poly notepads. Those seem to sell really well. People tend to enjoy it. And then I also worked on some new bookmarks. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have like so many ideas and just not enough time. And then I'm also realizing that I need to be filming every single little thing that I do, and I'm not. So yesterday we kind of had an easy day after the 4th, and we just were all exhausted. And my oldest had soccer practice in the afternoon, which was like 2 hours. It was super hot yesterday. I felt bad for her. And then it's supposed to be hot like all week. So it's gonna be an interesting week. VBS is this week, and I am helping. So what does that mean? I'm gonna be working half days in my normal job. So to be honest, I'm not gonna really have any time to do any art stuff. I'd be surprised if I did. Because right after VBS, the girls have soccer practice. Then we go into tournament season, and I'm gonna be gone all next weekend, and there's not gonna be any kind of art stuff happening probably all this month. So this might be my last vlog for the month of July, just because it's just so busy right now, and I'm just trying to figure it all out. And then I'm gonna sign up for a new market for August, and then right after that I have a market which is going to be the Oak Harbor Music Festival, which is going to be a big one, and I need to get busy making all the things. I think I am going to be doing a shop update this month, and by the time you guys see this vlog, it probably will be that week, maybe. I don't know. I'll leave something here of what the correct date is because I'm not sure at this point. Let me show you some things I drew. So I'm planning on making some more bookmarks. So this is my Polynesian turtle. There we go, that's better. I did that. And then I did another design with the hibiscus. There we go, the hibiscus design. So there's that one. And then I also did, I did this a while ago, but I'm planning on making this into a bookmark also, like a traditional bookmark. This is actually Deception Pass, which is here on Whidbey Island, which is actually how you get onto the island. It's beautiful, lots of tourists right now during the summer. There's only 2 ways to get on this island, and it is by bridge or by ferry boat. Let's see here. So I did this one. This was my original poly design, and I just wasn't, I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I did work on that. And then I did something super fun and exciting. And it took me a long time to figure out how I wanted it to look, but I am super happy with it now. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but I made an orca with the galaxy in the background. I love that design. I want to do a gray whale also with the galaxy design in the background. I'm planning on making that a sticker and a magnetic bookmark, really all this stuff. I'm planning on everything for, you know what, hold on. I don't even know if I've shown you guys all of my designs. Okay, here's another one. This one is going to be a sticker, magnetic bookmark. And I'm gonna see about making like a traditional bookmark, and I wanna make it into earrings also. So, and the same thing with the orca, like my plan is to make it all those things, like one design and making it into 3 different things. And then my notepads, which I did finish some, which are my Galaxy notepads, which are right under here on my camera. So if I shake it a little bit, these are my 2 new design for my the Galaxy notepads, 50 count. And then I was feeling really inspired and did some painting, which you guys kind of saw some of the footage, but I at least wanted to show you it right now. All right, if you don't know, I do have some favorite colors. It's purple. If you couldn't guess. I also like blue and pink, and I like those colors. So you see a lot of those in my designs, but purple is definitely one of my favorites. And this is a stone. This one. This one is all done, so now it needs to cure for a while. So this probably won't be ready to sell for a while. I'm gonna let it do what it's supposed to do, which is to completely cure. I know you guys have seen multiple of it just sitting in the background. To be honest, it's just sitting there. I haven't been applying anything to it. It's just sitting there. Why? I don't know. It doesn't take that long to apply coats, but here I am just letting it sit. There's some other things that I have to achieve today. And what I'm going to actually do is I gotta put away my inventory because I decided I didn't want to do the market on Friday, which was yesterday, which honestly that was probably a good call for me because I saw a video downtown and it did not look very busy. The carnival, there was an accident at the carnival, and that's here, and they shut down the carnival. So what does that mean? Well, the tourists aren't gonna be coming downtown, and then my husband says like it's not even close to downtown. People actually have to make an effort to go and walk up to downtown to see stuff. So I just decided, man, it wasn't the best option for me. And so I just decided that, and I looked at the cost. Like I made no money, really. Like I lost money during that event. And so I have to rethink about what I want to do in the future. And then I'm also trying to figure out, because I'm probably going to approach her and see about putting my stuff in her store. But the way she does it, she has a booth. You rent a space. So what it is like you rent a space, and people, the bad thing is like there's just so many people in there. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but she also has like a space where you can teach classes. And back before 2020, I taught classes, and that was a huge moneymaker for me. And then I also just got into fair. I've been applying to get into fair, which is a wholesale market for people. So realtors, stores, realtors? No. I can't think of the word. Oh my gosh. Stores. So stores, shops, things like that come on there, and they can wholesale or purchase wholesale items from your store on there. And so I just got into that. I've been applying for like months and months, and then I decided like, let's try and apply, and I got in right away, which is really weird because I was like, it's been months and I've been rejected or gotten no response for applying. And I feel like I did that like once a month for the last 5 or 6 months. And then this month I got in, which was really weird. So I'm also trying to like diversify, and shit's hard, man. Running a business is so hard, but I'm still trying. And this is kind of why I'm documenting it, to share it with you guys too. I know I've kind of been rambling a lot, but I wanted to at least share that part with you. And then what I'm going to be doing today, I have a lot of work today. I have a lot of work, period, and it may not get all done today because I have to clean my house and do normal stuff like that, housekeeping. It is tough. And so what I'm going to be doing probably this week is that I am slowly going to be trying to make more products. I will have a shop update. Like I'm doing a whole bunch of things, guys, a whole bunch of things. And I am going to have like a Galaxy series, and then I'm also going to have some other things that are not like Galaxy themed in this next shop update. But I have to tell you, I'm super excited about this Galaxy stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do, and I actually want to make more stuff for the Galaxy theme, like with my digital art, and I want to make more stones, keychains, all that stuff. But once again, time. Time is my nemesis. I can't talk this morning, guys. It's early. I got up at 4:30 and it's Saturday. All right, guys, I will talk to you guys all later, and wish me luck. So there was quite a few stickers that I was able to make. So here's one. Don't mind Zola, she's in the back mount. 2. And then of course the cat. And then a light bulb. And the orca. This one is actually a little bit darker than I wanted, but yeah. So on this day I made all of these guys, and I have to tell you, doing the laminate and all that stuff, I had the worst pain in my wrist. I've been struggling with some wrist pain for a while, and this definitely like inflamed it for a few days, which was really uncomfortable. But I have to say, I absolutely love how these stickers turned out, except this one. I think I might make a little bit lighter for the next time that I make them, but they all turned out really great, and I'm really happy with them. Now, I think this is going to be it for a while, guys. I've been so busy with soccer and camps and a whole bunch of other things that are happening. My brother's having like his wedding in a few weeks. Well, like his they're already married, but they're having like a celebration. You don't really care about that. Anyway, I want to tell you thank you so much for hanging out, and I will see you all in the next one. Talk to you later.